Hello, 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 hello. So everyone, welcome back to another stream. Hello. Okay, Vasantija, what are the operation of this one? How to install in Windows? Let's see way to operate. Hello, Tony, welcome to the stream. So it's actually easy to install. You can just run the setup and just change the location wherever you want. Actually easy. You don't need to worry about the installation. Just double click the setup file. Okay. Hello, welcome to the stream. So guys, we're going to finish this today. Okay, this one. This gas station. So we made a few changes, and we need to texture one more pop. I think. This sign. Okay, then we will export the textures. Okay. So everyone, welcome back to the stream. We'll start with this painter. I'm gonna please is that sign. Okay, this one. Okay, we'll texture this one first. Or I'm gonna bake the textures. Bake default. No texture. Yes, voices. It's the last one, I think. Save this project first. Save. Okay, now we'll create a fill layer. Create a group. Black mask here. Now we'll select this polygon fill to select the alphabets. This one. Here we need to change the material. I'm going to change this one to blue. Actually, not blue. We'll keep this one white. And one more thing, I'm going to exclude this one from this group and duplicate this one again. Clear the mask. And I'm going to select this one and change the material color to red. So we'll have these two different colors in one color ID. Okay. And one more group. I'm going to create another fill layer. Create another group. Another black mask here. Then again select this and okay. I'm going to select all these meshes and invert the mask here. So it will select only these light bulbs. Okay. Then we need an MC texture, so I'm going to add one in here first. See, and we need to turn this on here, and the color yellow. and the default color, I mean the base color also. Yellow or white, it's your choice. Okay, I'm gonna rename this to light. Now we need to put on fill layer in here, so we can add some dirt. I think we should try this one. Okay, I'm not going to detail this mesh. Okay, need to change the roughness value. Okay, and this color too. It. Okay, like this, and one more layer. Duplicate this one. Clear the mask. We'll try this one. And change the color to black. And we can change the texture actually for this dirt. Let's change this texture grange to I'm gonna type leak. Okay. So this one looks nice. More like a leak, right? Okay. So no, maybe we should change the color. Okay. Now I'm gonna copy this layer. I mean this dirt layer to our light. Paste or Control V. So to left the light, right? No. Okay, it's actually not affecting the light. Maybe we should just clear this mask and okay, still not affecting the light. Anyway, I don't need that. We actually think we have a UV problem here. Okay, right. Okay, now we'll export this one to Unreal Engine. Change the opacity of this leak little bit. See from this dirt. Okay, save this one, then export textures. Okay, get for. Now let me see texture here. Okay, I'm gonna put here design and export. You from Bangalore? No, I'm from Kerala. Okay, so these are the textures. So you can see the MCU lights in here. Yes, we don't have any normal maps. Okay, just a plain. Okay, now we'll open the Unreal Engine. Let's see what I am remembering. Okay, Ravi, welcome to the stream. Thanks again. Okay, I'm gonna open our project. Okay, dismiss. So actually, I made a quick changes. Okay, now you can see the opacity in here. Actually, I did. I'll show you. I'm gonna open this model. I added a different material for this glass. Okay, so now we can add an opacity channel only from this glass. Okay, it's fine. And made a few changes. Okay, I applied a different material for the interior. So you can see, and we still need to add the floor texture. See, I have applied different material here. Okay, now I'm going to import our sign textures. Save it. And no, bro, don't. No. Okay, we need to open the reference map and change to this mask. Okay, so the roughness value will work properly, and I don't have any normal map details. You can just come here and flip this lean channel. I'm not sure about the substance painter. Okay, now we need to find the material. I'm gonna open this main material and add a scalar parameter for the MCU. and I multiply, and we'll connect this multiply to MSC color, and the texture will be, I'm gonna duplicate this one and rename to EMI. AMC and connect it to this multiply. So default MC value will be 0. Play. Make sure you choose a default value 0 if you are using only one single master material. Okay. This one, I will duplicate this one and call this sign. Okay, open the material after it saves and add a new textures including this MCU. Okay, here we can change the MCU intensity. See, I change it to 22. So like this. And open the mesh. And apply this material. You can see now. The okay. Okay, now we need to find few more textures. Okay, I'm gonna open this building. Not this one, maybe this one. Okay, I think we still need to add a different material for the floor. Okay, wait. I think I already did that. We just need to remove the mesh. Maybe I'm going to open the mixer. Then we'll find few textures. I will mark it. Okay, great. The great what? Okay, great resist side. Bro, can you type in English? Okay, I'm gonna find this concrete texture. Okay, I'm gonna try this one and change the color. auto gray. Okay, and you're just gonna export this one in 2K resolution. This will be our payment. And export. Then I'm gonna import in here. Move this one and import these three in here. Save. Now we need to duplicate this material to payment. Open it and replace these three. Make sure you flip this green channel when you export textures from mixer. And here reference scale. And one more thing, this reference value will be this mask. Now to work properly, I'm gonna change the reference to 1. And open the building. That is the payment. And we just need to change the scale. Okay, I'm gonna change the total. No, maybe 8. It's still large, right? We can scale it here. Then re-export. Then re-import here. Back to 6. Okay, I'm gonna keep it this one. I think we're almost done. Maybe you should change this pillar texture. Let's say this one first. And find a concrete. Okay, just change to from above and reduce the radius. And change the color by using pick underline. We should. Then export this one as and I'm gonna import in here. Okay, now we need to fit the channel first. Change to mask. Then open, sorry, duplicate this material. Now call this filler. Okay, then we'll just open this and apply this material. Now this will look more like a concrete, but it is too much, right? Maybe you should just scale. No, we'll just reduce the damage in here. Then re-export. Okay, reboot. Maybe we can scale this down and reduce the threshold again. Then again we'll export and re-import here. So this will, now it will have less damage. I think maybe you should, it's fine. I think you can just change the color little bit. Okay. Okay, I think we need to re-import this building once we change all this material. And now it's currently all these materials are same in this floor one and this door frame are same. I think we need to re-import. Anyway, before that we need to find some decals for these buildings. I'm gonna save all this and open this Kixel bridge. It will open. Okay. I'm gonna change this one. And if I disable the sun, or just reduce the, or just change the color, we can just rotate Okay, disable it. And if I add a spotlight, you just to see the results. I should change, sorry, disable the skylight also. Okay, anyway, I'm going to turn this back on. And we don't need the spotlight and remove this. At low, now we'll add some decals. Massage. Okay, we can try this one. Okay, what do you want? Download. Oh, it will be here. Okay, adjustments. Okay, we need to add this decal actor. And this arrow should be like this. And apply this material. I move this to the top. And now I'm gonna change the color a little bit to create and duplicate a couple of times and change the scale. I think this is enough. Okay, we don't need too much leaks. Okay, I'm gonna place one in here. So actually, maybe you can just avoid decals in the settings. Enable gravity. Can we if I turn this off? It won't. And duplicate couple of times so I can place the front side. Okay, same. Turn this off. Okay, I will just place for now, then can change the color later if you want to. Color or intensity. Actually, we need decals on this. The problem is this pillar. Okay, we'll just duplicate this pillar and place on here. Now save it. I'm gonna duplicate this one and rotate so I can place this area. Okay, I'm not gonna place in here on this side. Okay, now what? We need to find a. Need to open this building and this single one, right? Then we need to texture this mesh. Maybe you can use a single one. Okay, wait. I'm gonna create a new material in here. Create material. Call this metal. Open it and create a color. Convert to parameter. This will be metallic. Duplicate for the roughness. Default value 1 for both. Okay, I'm gonna change the roughness value to 0.5 and the default color. Okay. Then apply, save it, and create a material sense from this. Bring actually we need to use substance finder so we can create a glass in this like we said earlier. Sorry, when we started the project, we should change the color to the metallic. Okay, I'm gonna keep in 1. Okay, now I'm gonna find some trees so I can place in the background. Maybe a landscape texture. I'm gonna create a new folder in here for the trees. Close this one. No, we'll just erase that split tree. If we have any Some I think okay. I think we need to create a new tree in here. Maybe we should just duplicate this vehicle for these sides, right? If I duplicate this one, then create 80. Different vehicle for this one. Name in here. Okay, duplicate. You can change the texture later if you want. Great. Grenade, bro. Sorry. Grenade, bro. Okay, Chris, look at the string. 90. I think we should just keep it in here first. And reduce the size. Okay, now it looks more like a building, right? Usual real building. Can still place in these sides. Okay, hold on. Gonna go back to low. Then select this one. Maybe replicate this again. No. Yes. Select this one and increase the size like this. But the problem is sorry, you can see this model, right? Maybe you should avoid that. Or if I rotate this one little bit. No. Okay, I'm gonna change the color. Actually fine, we can't see it from here. Right. Okay, that's it. Now we'll just create a couple of trees. Hold on. Fade screen size, start delay, fade duration. Think. Okay, I'm gonna keep this. Okay. Now just create. Open this tree and increase the length. It's 123. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna increase the length in here all the way up. Okay, and maybe you should reduce the leaf count. So leaf, I'm gonna change the number to half. What is 2, 3? Okay, I'm gonna change to 1. No, we'll keep it in 3 and change the sleeve size. This is a bit high. Okay, I'm gonna change the spine radius. It will be in this branch, I think. Save it and export this one. Export to A. So, you one, change it on Unreal Engine, then just okay. Now I'm gonna select this one again, change the shape. um, like this. We should reduce the leaf count again to 1. And this is size. Okay, 92,000. If I can create LOD, I mean level of detail in Unreal Engine. Okay, I'm gonna export this one also to game. To and close. Then we will just import them. I'm gonna import this tree too first. It will create our materials automatically. Save it. I'm gonna change to, we should select the skylight, change it to stationary. It happens. Okay. Now the tree color changes, right? Okay, I'm gonna place this on the back. Then we will import the first one. Don't need to create the materials, we already have create materials. Okay, we'll create it or else. Okay, just import them, open it, and we'll apply the materials manually. No, this one actually. And I'm gonna open this texture and reduce the brightness to 0.6. Okay, this is the first. Okay, now I'm gonna just randomly place these trees. In the back and this side. Okay, these heights are the same. Here and we're not gonna paint these trees, we'll just these areas. Manually. Okay, I think that's enough. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna place you trees in here. Okay, we will open this mixer again, so we can create a landscape texture. Okay, I'm gonna use this sun. Change the scale to this. Gravel texture. Then this will do. Okay, I will expand this one in 4K as ground texture. Okay. And I'm gonna move this to material in here first. Then import our new textures. These three. change, flip the screens and open the reference map and change the mask. Now we need to create a landscape texture. Hold on, actually, we don't need this one. So we will export this one as grass and soil. Okay, ground. This will be the soil texture. We should add a little bit grass. No, okay, yes. Okay, I'm gonna export this as okay, then we will create the landscape material. I'm gonna import them first. Open. Post this one. Save it. Create a new material. I'm gonna call this landscape. Drop this one here. I need to re-import the textures. Okay. This will be base color. I'm gonna convert this into parameter. I'm gonna call this GB. Grass base color. It's normal map. Convert parameter. Grass normal. Hold on. We need to create landscape blend layer. I'm gonna search blend and this landscape layer blend. Here we need to create two type of layers on grass. We should preview it on. This will be soil. Connect this one to layer grass and duplicate this one a couple of times. It's to normal. Our reference map convert to parameter GR layer grass and goes to reference. This will goes to base color. I'm gonna duplicate all three, Control CV, and we'll change the name. This will be soil B. Reference. Connect these three. Now we need to create a UV. Hold on, U, M, and S. We'll change it to G scale. This one for the grass, okay. Connect to these two grass textures and duplicate these two again. This will be soil. Connect it to soil textures. And default value 1 for these two. And you can create a group and select this one will be grass. Okay, then apply and save. Right click and create a material instance. Open it. Here we need to turn all this on. Then just change these textures. Then click this landscape. Here we can apply this landscape material. And I'm going to open this landscape mode here. And go to this paint. See here we have the textures, sorry, layers. And I click this plus icon, create weight blender layer. And save somewhere, okay. I'll save it in here. See these two. Then we will right click this grass layer and press fill layer. See, you need to re-import these textures first. Re-import, re-import. Okay, now okay, we need to paint it. Open this landscape mode again. Change the brush size. And select this soil. And I'm gonna paint. And see. We can see. Need to change the tool strength. And here we can create a road. Okay, like this. Okay, guys, this is just a basic version of what we saw in the reference. Okay, we still need to do a lot of things. Maybe we should scout a little bit. We need a noise and we scout this area. I'm gonna keep it plain. And we need to scale these textures down. Scale should be, I'm gonna change it to 0.5. I think we need to flip right. The gas texture on again. Change to 3. I think we need to add one more material, maybe a concrete one. Okay, and open. Wait, we'll just change to medium. It's fine. Okay, open this base material. I mean the landscape material. Then select all 3 blend layer. Create a new layer for this concrete. Okay, and move this to the side. I'm gonna duplicate these 3. Sometimes here texture won't show up when we have increased amount of these textures. So I'm gonna change these 3 to shade wrap, and here we can change the names. I'll change it to C. Then here duplicate and connect it to these 3. And create a new group. Okay, then this goes to normal, this one roughness, this one base color. Apply. Okay, we'll apply this texture one more time. the landscape, then open the landscape mode. See, we have this new material layer. I'm going to create a new layer in here. Then save all. Okay, before thing we need to change the textures first. We'll use this pavement one, or maybe this concrete one. Okay, open the landscape mode, then select this concrete layer. Can paint in these corners. Sorry. And open the material again. Change the scale to 1. Maybe you should change to a different texture. I'm gonna change to experiment. Now open the landscape mode again. Change this fall off to 0. Okay, change to point 1. We should move this 3. Okay, I'm gonna turn this light off from side. Okay, wait. So guys, I think that's it. Maybe we should add some grass. Let me check if we have any grass mesh. Okay. Okay, actually, if you want to add the grass, you need to open the material. I mean this landscape. Waiting for that. So GasStation, right? I'm gonna save everything. Right click and create a foliage, and I mean this landscape grass type. Name to grass. Open it, and I'm gonna put this grass in here. Density tool for now. Now we'll open the landscape material. I mean this base material. Right click and search for sample, and you can find this landscape layer sample in here. Just change the name to grass, and on nothing, search for output for this landscape grass output. Okay, and expand this one, then select this grass layer we created. Okay, then connect these two, then apply. Save. Okay, and I want to move this. It's already in here. Now open this to see the mesh. Okay, density 22 and size max 1 and 2. Okay, keep received equals. Now save it. And you can see we need to change the engine scalability, and you can see the graphs now. We change to high. And one more thing, we need to add post-process volume. Delete this exponential flow for now. I hope we changed our exposure settings. Okay. Add a new form. Point two density. Point one. This volumetry for one. This post-process volume, I'm gonna change few things like ambient occlusion, and we have few global settings like saturation and contrast. Saturation 0.1 maybe. If you want to fill this graphs, and open this, change the density to 122, like this. It's too much. 1, 2. And I'm gonna open this glass material. We need to change few settings like the subsurface. And I'm gonna change this grass brightness, texture brightness to 0.5. Six. No, the grass and the texture matches, right? Almost. And same for this soil. maybe the concrete also. I'm going to change the concrete brightness to 0.8. Soil brightness to 0.7. Any tips for a beginner on where I can learn? It is in our channel, bro. Turko, welcome to the stream. Mike, right? And nothing. Okay, I'm gonna open this glass material again and change the color. Save. Maybe then I rotate this sunlight. Like this. I think it's better to keep like this. White. Okay, and change the color a little bit yellow. And one more thing, let's change the shadow distance. If I add one more 0 in here, nothing happens. Okay, nice. Goes to work. Okay. Okay, anyway, I think guys, this is it. So guys, that's it for our gas station. Change the intensity to 6. Nice. And direct lighting intensity and volumetric scattering. And if we change the height, okay, I think this is how it looks like in the higher settings. You can see the frame drop, so I'm gonna change it back to okay. If I play this in here, maybe I should change. Oh, I don't like to play in this. I'll just change to morning. It's too much brightness, right? Maybe I should change the this. Okay. Actually, this character is too small compared to our reference character we use in Max. Okay, so it's okay, and we still need to add texture in here. We need to re-import the building. The different, see the gap in here, the different material on this frame and this floor. See the details actually is affecting the floor, right? Yeah. Hold on. So guys, I think that's it. Maybe we can just apply this one for the floor. Wait. Duplicate this one. Change the color to black. You can just duplicate these corners. Okay, so guys, that's it for our gas station. If you want to ask anything, you can just comment. Okay, I'm gonna move. Next is here. So guys, next stream will be on Wednesday, Friday. The new topic, so you can suggest something for our next tutorial. Madam, welcome to the stream. So guys, once again, thanks for joining the stream. Everyone, thanks for the support, and we will see you on Friday. If you want to ask, I think you can just comment, okay? Guys, then okay, and we will see you on Friday with a new topic. And take care, guys. Bye bye.